Hi everyone. Today we are discussing precautions to be observed while servicing a hybrid vehicle. This discussion is in continuation from the previous module. So if you have not gone through the previous module, then I will request you to stop here and start your learning from module 1. So what are we going to cover in this module? In this module, we will discuss two topics. Number 1, high voltage circuit, and number 2, inspection or replacement of high voltage parts. As a thumb rule of safety first, be sure to observe all safety precautions while servicing high voltage system. So what are the safety precautions? There are 7 steps of safety that you need to take before start of any job on high voltage system. Let's discuss the 7 steps in details. Number 1 is the intimating others that you are working on high voltage system. Use the caution high voltage do not touch sign to warn others in your surroundings. Second step is shutting down the vehicle. Move the shift lever in P range or press the P button. Engage the parking brake, turn off power, no ready light, and remove the smart key. Store the smart key 2 meters or more away from the vehicle. In third step, disconnect the negative terminal from 12-volt auxiliary battery. In fourth step, inspect the insulated glove before use. Be sure to check them for cracks, tears, and other types of damages. Then perform the following procedure to inspect air leak. First, place the glove on its side. Second, roll the opening up 2 or 3 times. Third, fold the opening in half to close it. Confirm that there are no air leaks. Fifth step is to find the location of service plug grip. You can get help from repair manual. Remove covers, pull grip lever to right, pull service plug grip to outside, and keep inside your pocket. After disconnecting service plug grip, wait 10 minutes to allow the high voltage capacitors inside inverter with converter assembly to discharge. After passing 10 minutes of removing the service plug grip, put on insulated gloves, set the multimeter to a range of DC 750 volt or higher, and check that the high voltage capacitor inside the inverter with converter assembly has discharged by inspecting voltage at capacitor terminal. Please refer repair manual to find out the location of capacitor terminal. Let's discuss the precautions while replacing high voltage components. Always wear insulated gloves and use insulated tools when working on high voltage components. The nuts and bolts for high voltage terminals should be tightened firmly to the specified torque. Generally, tightening nuts and bolts too high may cause them to be damaged due to fatigue failure. If high voltage connectors are contaminated with foreign matter such as coolant, clean the contaminated area thoroughly. If not cleaned sufficiently, heat may be generated due to a short between the high voltage terminals, which may cause a fire hazard. After removing service plug grip, turning the power switch on to ready mode may cause a malfunction. Do not turn power switch on unless instructed by the repair manual. After servicing, check that you have not left a part or tool inside the vehicle, that the high voltage terminals are firmly tightened, and that the connectors are properly connected. Inspection or replacement of parts. If the lock of battery cover lock striker is not released, the battery cover cannot be removed. The battery cover lock striker prevents the technician from removing the battery cover without removing service plug grip. Use the protrusion on the service plug grip to release the lock of battery cover lock striker. When the cable is disconnected from negative battery terminal, the ISC learning value throttle opening learned value will be initialized. The engine may not run intermittently when ISC learning has not been completed. The following condition must be met for several seconds. Engine idling without load. Vehicle runs on less than 6 km speed. Coolant temperature is 70 degrees Celsius or more. The data list item ISC learning changes to complete indicates that learning has been completed. The AMD terminal is the terminal used for 12 volt output from the DC-DC converter. This corresponds to the B terminal of alternator of a conventional vehicle. The AMD terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the auxiliary battery. It is necessary to disconnect the AMD terminal when removing the DC-DC converter, inverter with converter assembly, as the following inspection requires the engine to run continuously. Put the vehicle in inspection mode. Valve and adjuster noise, ignition timing, engine idle speed, COHC concentration. When inspecting compression, use the active test function of GTS. In order to ensure the proper insulation of the internal high voltage portion of compressor, hybrid vehicle uses compressor oil with a high level of insulation performance, and that is ND11. Thanks for your time. Hope you find this video presentation informative and it will help you to perform your daily job.